I'm feeling real good tonight. I got my girls in the house with me tonight. So, how many girls here tonight with your friends? Where the girls at? Where my girls at? So, if y'all been through a scenario like this with one of your girlfriends, I actually want to see, can we see the lights? I want to see this moment. I want to see y'all sing it out together to each other. Can y'all do that for me tonight? If you've been through this scenario, I want to see it for myself. I want to see you sing this song. Can y'all do that? Can y'all do that, ladies? Here we go. See what y'all don't know about him is I can't let him go because it ain't really him, it's stress from his job and I ain't begging it. I know you see him hugging most of the time, but I know deep inside he don't mean it. It gets hard sometimes, but I need my man. I'm telling you, girl, he understands. Nobody shades on your friend. He's been lying to you. He's no good for you. You don't have to be hiding. No, 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 no. You're my girl. We are her. Want you to know that I love you. I can tell you've been crying and you need somebody to talk to. I can tell you've been crying and pretending that it's different and you love